In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a double exposure in Canva, a technique that beautifully blends two images to create a surreal and artistic masterpiece. This process is not only straightforward, but also quick, taking just about 5 minutes. So whether you're a beginner or have a bit of experience with Canva, this tutorial will be right up your alley. First off, make sure you have Canva open and ready to use. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that. Once you're inside, we'll begin by creating a new design. Now, don't worry too much about the format. It could be anything from an Instagram post to a custom size you desire. With Canva, the sky's the limit as you craft your artistic vision. Now, for the main attraction, you'll need a portrait photo. You can upload your own image or use Canva's search feature to find a fitting portrait directly from their vast library. This portrait serves as the base of our double exposure effect, so choose one that's perfect for your vision. Once your portrait is ready in the design space, let's make it a blank canvas for the double exposure by removing its background. To do this, click on Edit Photo and then select Background Remover. This tool is very user-friendly and should seamlessly remove the background of your image, leaving just the subject to highlight in your composition. Now, it's time to bring the double exposure to life with a secondary image. Utilize Canva's extensive library to search for images that add depth and contrast to your portrait. Options like landscapes, city skylines, or even a majestic mountain range work beautifully for this effect, adding an extra layer of storytelling to your design. Once you've found the perfect overlay image, simply drag it onto your portrait. Here's where the magic begins. You'll need to resize and position this image thoughtfully. Move it around until it fits the story you want to tell, ensuring the key elements amplify the composition without overshadowing your portrait. Now we move to creating harmony between the two images. Select your overlay image and head over to the transparency tool. Adjust the transparency level to somewhere between 40 and 60%. This adjustment allows the two images to blend together seamlessly, revealing different aspects of each in a striking and beautiful way. As you perfect the blend, tweak positions and transparencies until your double exposure looks just right. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Click on Share, then Download to save your creation, making sure to choose the PNG format for the best quality. And there you have it. You've successfully created a double exposure image in Canva in just 5 minutes. With practice, you can keep experimenting and pushing the boundaries of your creativity with this fun technique. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.